Hello. So in this section, I will walk through the sample report. This sample report is the International Business Information Report. We cover a wide range of the topics that are important for understanding the health and the performance of a company. The main objective of this survey is to understand whether the information is helpful for you to get the jobs done. So first, we have the company information section, which provides an overview of the company history, the company registrations information that can be found from the registry. Next, we have the uh, locations and the company addresses information, their register business activities, the legal structure and registrations, and is there any registrations and certifications that can be found from the local authority? And what are the pay up capitals information? And the significant changes, like for example, is the company has any changes in directors, in the board of compositions of the board, and is there any changes in their legal structures? Next is the information about their shareholders, who are the major shareholders and what are the number of shares. Next is the management information, who are their directors and how long they have acted as a director. Next is the management assessment information. This section is basically to check whether is the management has any political exposed um, person information, and is it can be found from the database. Is there any negative issues can be found? Okay, next is about the litigations information, whether the company has any suit case or any legal cases. Next is the related companies, who are their parent company, if any, uh, who are their subsidiaries and affiliates. Next is the employees information. Next is about the production information, and this type of information is only applicable to those companies that are in the production line. So the informations can be retrieved the like the production's quantity, when are they started their productions. Next is about the customers information, who are their customers, who are their major customers, and how did they sell their products or services. Next is about the suppliers, who are their suppliers. Next is the sales and purchase compositions, like how many percentage of their sales are local, are derived locally, how many percentage of their sales are derived internationally from the international customer. Okay. Next is the uh, related to the export or purchase information, and usually what are their credit terms. Next is the operational performance, that usually these informations are retrieved through the course of investigations with the key managements of the company. Next is the business events and the investigations informations that who the team spoke with to confirm the informations in the report. Then next is about the key business events related to this company. And most important are the financial informations that can be retrieved through the local registry, like what is the P&L information and the balance sheet information. Okay, P&L. Then next is the ratio information, that the like what are their profitability ratios or growth ratios, leveraging ratios, so on and so forth. And next is who are their auditors, the banking informations, the insurance informations, and the historical or the legal events that can be found through the official sources. Is there any change in the legal structure, change in company addresses, and etc. Next is the last part of the report, the second last, will be the business prospect. That is there any upcoming plan that is worth to share to the user of this report, and also the informations in the report to contain about the economic statistic data as well. And then, yeah, last part will be the risk evaluations. Based on the informations that the team has gathered, then we'll run a risk assessment based on the data that that is available in the database, then to identify what is the risk score and recommended credit limit, and a basic I'll summarize about the company's strength and the weaknesses. And last part will be the score glossary. Well, usually the higher the score, uh, the lower the risk. So it's just a basic some informations for the report users to use to quickly identify what is the risk level for the company. So yep, that's about the walkthrough. Thank you.